Hey guys, and welcome back to Lockie's Garage, where today we are reviewing and installing Bimland Performance LED interior lights, as well as comparing them to eBay quality LED lights. So I have a set of Bimland Performance LED lights. They are perfect for the Australian conditions, where they are rated to up to 38 degrees Celsius, which Australia gets up to quite often. So in the actual Bimland Performance pack that they sent me, they send out 3 different types of bulb. The first one being this really high quality, well made anodized aluminum gold dome lights. Some regular circular lights that go in the glove box and vanity mirrors, along with some flat style bulbs, which I believe go in the door sills, but we'll have a look at that later. So firstly, we are going to start with these dome lights up here. So once again, get yourself a plastic trim removal tool, stick it up into here, and the little plastic cover should just pop straight off. Once you've got that plastic trim off, you want to get your trim removal tool and stick it on the inside here and just leverage down like that. Then want to repeat that on this side as well. Stick your trim removal tool in there, leverage down, and it'll come off straight away. So the easiest way I've found to actually remove this center little bulb is to stick a screwdriver up there and just fiddle around till it pops out, just like that. You then want to get your brand new LED bulb, stick it in, and give it a test. If it doesn't turn on the first time, you'll need to reverse it. And there we go. As you can see, that is very, very bright. And finally, we have one left over here. You can either use, once again, a small flathead screwdriver or a pair of needle nose pliers. I find the screwdriver technique works a lot better. Once you eventually get the actual bulb in and you give it a test, you'll then need to reinstall the little lens cap. Now, as this is a LED, they don't get as hot as halogens, so you'll need to remove the special plastic cover that sits on top of this little housing. To do that, you'll want to get a little screwdriver, and you'll see tabs inside. You just want to poke the screwdriver in and flick the little lens out. Once both of them are out, stick your little thing back in, on the other side as well. Get your little plastic light diffuser. Next up are the vanity mirror lights. Once again, get your little pry tool. Okay, so this one you want to get your fingers in there and just pry down that way. And you should see that little circular bulb, so we'll be replacing that as well with a brand new LED. Once you've gone and installed your new white light, slide the little vanity mirror across and your little white light should work. And for comparison, here's the old halogen bulb over there. So the next light we'll be doing is the glove box light. As you can see, it is located right here, and it operates by the little click switch. So get your little pry tool. Now, obviously, before you put it in, test to make sure you got the right polarity. And as you can see, it is the correct one. Just open the little light up, put it in, and reinstall it back the way it came. And that is the glove box light done. Finally, the light we'll be finishing off with is the passenger footwell light. Now with this, so once again, a pry tool, stick it up there and pull the entire light out. So once you've pulled the light out, you want to go and grab the actual bulb itself and replace it with these flat ones. Once you've got it plugged in, I'm gonna go and click it back in, and the footwell light is done. The 2 remaining lights are for both passenger and driver side door, but as you can see, I've already installed eBay BMW projectors, so I will not be installing them, but these will be very straightforward to install. And that, guys, is how you install the Bimland Performance LED interior light pack. Now, obviously, I've skipped over a bit of it. I haven't done a full in-depth tutorial, but that wasn't my goal. There are plenty of other guides, like JD Cars did a very in-depth, I think 15-minute tutorial on how to do each single light. This makes such a difference to the car. This makes such a big difference to the entire feeling of the car. I've already got white angel eyes up the front, which I've done in one of my previous videos. I think it was one of my firsts. And now I've finally done the interior of the car, which really completes the look of it. Eventually I'll get around to doing the brake lights, which I want to do a Blackline, I believe it is, Blackline Performance brake lights, which delete a lot of the white part on the exterior of the light and replace it with red. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.